Solve the system by the elimination method. Here we have this system, 2x minus y is equal to 4, and 3x plus y is equal to 21. I'm going to start by identifying these equations as numbers 1 and 2. Within the elimination method, we would like to be able to add these equations together and remove a variable, and that's going to happen very nicely with this system. As we add it together, this negative y and positive y are going to cancel out, leaving us with a 5x is equal to 25, or x is equal to 5. So we've got one variable solved for. Now let's go back and find y. I'm going to choose equation 1 to do this with. Equation 1 is 2x minus y is equal to 4. And let's substitute x equal 5 to get 2 times 5 minus y is equal to 4. That's 10 minus y is equal to 4. Subtracting 10 from both sides gives negative y is negative 6, or y is equal to positive 6. We've solved for x and y. Let's summarize this by saying the solution set is the point where x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 6.